Now, if you want to drain your 8 sleep pod here, well, there are a few things that you may need to do here. So, what do you need to do? So, first is you want to unplug the hub or power it off. First things first, disconnect power for safety reasons. Unplug the hub from the outlet. That ensures no liquid is pushed through unexpectedly and it's safe to work with the system. Now, inside the box here, there should be a drain tool provided. According to 8 support, you'll click this tool into the connector at the end of the water cord that's attached to the active grid cover. Now, with the drain tool attached, hold or position the hose over a bowl or container and let the water flow out. And the cover and its water lines will drain through gravity or minimal pressure. Now, the hub has its own internal reservoir, so use the same drain tool and attach it to the reservoir drain connector, often at the back of the hub. Let that water flow out completely. Now, once draining slows or actually stops, gently tilt or move the hose or cover so any residual water actually comes out. Wipe down the connectors and use the area around the hub so there's no leftover moisture. Now, finally, reassemble and store. Now, after draining, reattach any hoses or caps. If you plan to use the pod again shortly, you'll need to refill it per manufacturer instructions. Now, if you're moving or storing, keep the system dry until reassembly. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.